I have previously assembled both of my sides. Now having my front and rear rails completed, as well as the backrest rails, I can dry assemble this together. Now it may help to gently clamp one side to the workbench and then work those rails in place. And the dry assembly is just a little bit too snug, so we're going to widen the mortise location ever so slightly. And that fits much better. And with those first few pieces in, we can see if there's any touch-up work that needs to be done to the other side as well. And with each one, I do like to number them just to make it a little bit easier to reassemble this at a later date. And with those pieces together, everything should fit nice and snug. Nothing should have been forced to fit. The bench should stand on its own, and there should be no large gaps between the joining surfaces.